Today I have 7 days to cure the zombie villager with a special potion. But it wouldn't be easy because Steve has to survive dangerous and powerful mobs to get the potion. So you need to subscribe and one day, everyone was sleeping inside the cave. During the night, the villager became thirsty and woke up to get some water. He walked outside, but suddenly a group of zombies attacked him and turned him into a zombie. When the sun rose, Steve and Alex woke up and quickly realized that the villager was missing. They searched everywhere for him. Then Steve spotted a zombie holding an emerald. That's when they realized the villager had been turned into a zombie. But before they do anything, they had to look up the Iron Golem because he hates zombies. But the problem isn't solved yet. Steve and Alex need to find a special potion to turn the villager back to normal. But there's another problem. They only have 7 days. If they fail to cure him, the villager will become a zombie forever. To find the potion, they must travel through dangerous biomes and battle powerful mobs controlled by the Great Hog. So it's time for Steve and Alex to begin their adventure. The first biome they entered was the Cherry Blossom biome. At first, Steve and Alex thought it would be the safest and most peaceful place, but they were completely wrong. The Great Hog had already taken control of the bees and even the sniffer. The angry creatures charged straight at them. Steve and Alex had no weapon and no plan. There was only one thing they could do. They escaped, but now they had 5 days left to save the villager. Next up was the desert biome. As they crossed the hot sand, they spotted a group of villagers relaxing at their outpost. Steve and Alex sneaked closer and defeated them, but their victory didn't last long. The camels saw what happened and attacked. Steve managed to escape, but Alex was captured. But now Steve was all alone. As he entered the swamp biome, he discovered a massive frog outpost. He quietly sneaked inside, but an army of frogs surrounded him. Before he could escape, they captured him and locked him in an underground prison. Just when all hope seemed lost, Steve noticed an axe lying nearby. He grabbed it and slowly broke the chains. While searching the prison, he found a full set of armor. Now he was ready to fight back. While the frogs were distracted, Steve made his escape and ran into the spruce forest. There he encountered a creeper, a fox, and the killer bunny. They all started chasing him. Thinking fast, Steve lighted up the TNT. The path was finally clear. Now it was time for the final battle, the Great Hog. There was only one way to defeat him, a boxing
Round 1, fight!
The Great Hog won the first round, Steve won the second one, then came to the final. Steve unleashed all his strength and smashed the Great Hog. The Great Hog was finally defeated. Steve claimed the special potion, freeing all the animals and rescuing Alex. They rushed back to the cave, gave the potion to the zombie villager, and just before the 7 days, the villager was cured. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
What about me? What about me?